Hi everybody, Newland here. I wanted to try and explain how I wanted to use the pivot lab that we did where we uploaded a video. Instead of just letting it sit there, I want to turn it into a Newton's second law activity. So I picked Zach and his group's video from second period. And let me show you how I turned that thing on, by the way. I'm going to ask you to take the video that you've done. You've already figured out the speed at the bottom of the ramp, and we're going to add onto it. So we're going to make an It's Learning assignment out of it. I'm going to ask you to draw a free body diagram of the ball. Let's say that it's sliding down the ramp. Even though we know that it's rolling, let's say it's sliding. So the you can even say that there's no friction on the center of mass of the ball. That's an appropriate approximation for what we're doing here. So I know that's not exactly right, but it's a good start for what we're doing. So hopefully you've already found the speed at the bottom of the ramp, but if not, you can gather your data points and figure that out. But you're also going to want to turn on this rotational measurement tool here. And you saw that I was playing with it earlier. You can kind of line it up. And this is, of course, each group may have this set up a little bit differently. You can make it bigger and smaller. You can even, wait, how did I do that before? Yeah, there you go. You can even change how much you're measuring with if you need to do that. Um, it's kind of hard to play with. There we go. Grab the little circle bit to rotate it, and the squares let you make it bigger, smaller, either way. And you probably want to make it parallel to your meter stick if I'm using this as an example. So see if you can't find some place where you can put the thing to measure the angle, because I'm going to ask you to not only draw a free body diagram, but once you have the angle, you should be able to put the acceleration down the ramp in terms of nothing more than the acceleration due to gravity and theta. If you're left over with mass in your expression, you probably did something wrong. So again, use Newton's second law down the ramp to find an expression for the acceleration and measure the angle using the little angle measurement tool here. And on It's Learning, I've created an assignment under mechanics, upload your ramp video lab FBD activity. So that should not take very long to do. And it's a nice little addition to also finding your velocity like they did here. Look, they found their velocity exactly the way you needed to. Cool.